Central London is a hub of activity, known for its iconic landmarks and diverse neighbourhoods filled with history and culture. Travellers flock here each year, making it vital to find budget-friendly hotels. Affordable accommodations ensure that visitors can enjoy their stay without compromising on quality or unique experiences. Opting for budget-friendly hotels can significantly enhance your travel experience. The money saved on accommodations allows you to allocate funds towards exciting attractions, delicious meals, and memorable experiences. Comfort and convenience are still prioritized, ensuring you enjoy your stay while exploring all that your destination has to offer. Discover our top picks for affordable hotels in central London, each offering unique features and prime locations. From cozy boutique stays to budget chains, these selections provide excellent value. We highlight their average price ranges, ensuring travelers can find the perfect fit for their needs without stretching their budget. To secure the best deals on cheap hotels, it's essential to compare prices across multiple booking websites. Don't forget to check for discount codes that can save you even more. Additionally, consider booking during off-peak seasons when rates are generally lower, maximizing your travel budget. Traveling around London on a budget is easy with various economical options. The Oyster card offers discounted fares on public transport. Buses are a great way to see the city affordably, while walking tours provide an immersive experience. Together, these options help you explore without overspending. In conclusion, choosing budget accommodation is crucial for enhancing your travel experience in central London. It allows you to allocate more resources toward exploring and enjoying attractions. Keep these travel tips in mind to ensure a fun, memorable trip, all while staying within your financial limits.